Hi everybody, happy Sunday to all of you and happy Mother's Day to all mothers around the world. I'm going on a normal jog and I'm capturing the sights and sound from Brockwell Park. This is one of my favorite parks in London, you know that. So I'm going to show you bits and bobs. I won't speak much, but have a happy Sunday. God bless you. Subscribe to the channel. God bless. Brilliant fanfare in Brockwell Park. So all sorts of activities go on here, from football to just walking to just relaxing in the park, all the way to the fanfare that you can see behind me. Interesting times, eh? Interesting times. Fanfare with just kids just having fun on a Sunday afternoon. Sun is not so great, but hey, we're still having fun, isn't it? It's coming out. Gradually the sun will come out in its full glory, but we make the most of it in London. Whatever the weather is, whether it's rain, sunshine, whatever, we still have fun. It doesn't stop us from having our fun. There we go. So I carry on with my jogging. kids train in Brockwell Park. Isn't that wonderful? We have all sorts happening here. The kids train in Brockwell Park. Amazing. Wasn't that beautiful? Kids just enjoying themselves in their mini train on Brockwell Park. So if you're guessing what I'm wearing, I bought that when I went to Disney Park. It's a Mickey Mouse t-shirt and I love it so much because of the creativity in Disney, Walt Disney. I love everything Walt Disney, you know. Anyway, that's just by the way. Let's carry on with the jogging. Let's keep going. Never stop, never stop. Every little bit counts. Let's keep going. So this is one of my favorite areas in Brockwell Park. This is where I come to exercise. And other people come to exercise as well. And that's the Lido, Brockwell Park Lido. There's a gym inside it. And as you can see, a lot of people are still exercising outside of the building at the moment. So I'm going to do my bit. I'll see you in a bit. Don't forget your sips of water during your days of exercising. Intermittently, as you finish a very strenuous one, drink some water. Take a break if you need to. Take a break if you need to. Don't kill yourself, but make sure that you do take massive action all of the time. It doesn't matter how small it is, no matter what, each thing you do is contributing towards your better future. Your better future. Stay healthy, stay healthy. God bless.